Do you believe that financial success, wealth, is only the result of a logical plan, hard work, and following the rules? If I told you that reason is just a tool, and that the real secret to unlocking abundance lies in something deeper, something that you can program in your own mind? Everyone dreams of being rich, but how many really stop to imagine the path to create the circumstances of luck? Winning the lottery is for the few. Building true wealth requires a method, and today we are going to reveal a simple method based on auto-suggestion, capable of transforming your deepest desires into a concrete life plan. Get ready. In this video, you will discover the 6 infallible steps to becoming a millionaire, inspired by the bestseller, The Instant Millionaire by Mark Fisher, an almost magical yet totally practical approach to creating wealth and personal success. Why do some achieve wealth while others spend their lives dreaming? Do millionaires work twice as hard? Are they smarter? Have they had more education? The answer, according to Mark Fisher, lies in your attitude and your thoughts. They determine your reality. The book shows us clearly and directly that there is a simple but powerful secret, and the key is to believe in it, to believe that you can achieve wealth. But first, a crucial question that the book raises: do you still believe that working hard for someone else is the main way to get rich? Think about it. Statistically, 74% of millionaires are entrepreneurs. Only 1% are employees. The person who earns 10 times more than you does not necessarily work harder or do radically different things. The difference is in the mindset. It's time to change the way you think and see your financial future. Ready for the 6 principles that can pave your path to prosperity? 1. The power of clarity. Write down your goals. How many times have you wanted something but were afraid to ask for it directly? Were you indirect? Were you shy? Wealth creators are different. They know exactly what they want because they have defined and written their goals with crystal clarity. There is a direct connection between dream and action. When you define your goal precisely, the means to achieve it begin to appear. Being mediocre is not daring to do what you love for fear of other people's judgment. Being brilliant is simply loving what you do. Don't assume that you have all the time in the world. Life is unpredictable. Postponing your dreams is a fatal mistake. Many reach the end of their lives realizing that they never did what they really wanted. They are like the walking dead, who breathed but did not truly live. If you knew that tomorrow would be your last day, what would you do? Today, people who are unhappy in what they do rarely prosper. Those who don't know where they're going don't get anywhere. Stop looking for happiness where it isn't. Pursue your dreams now. You deserve abundance. Let go of limiting programming and start working on your true purpose. 2. Character is destiny. Shape your thoughts. The speed at which you achieve your goals is directly proportional to the strength of your character, and character is shaped by your thoughts. Powerful thoughts generate a strong character, which accelerates your results. How to take control? Through self-repetition, self-suggestion. People of character are those who continue to act even after the initial excitement wears off. Yes, the routine can be tedious, but the discipline to do what needs to be done, whether you want to or not, is the hallmark of winners. It all starts in the mind. Remember the sequence. Sow a thought, reap an action. Sow an action, reap a habit. Sow a habit, reap a character. Sow a character, reap your destiny. And be careful. A thought, even a false one, can affect you deeply if you believe in it. 3. The essence of happiness. Passion above all. If you were a millionaire today, how would you spend your money? And if it were your last day on earth, how would you spend your time? The answer usually points in the same direction: passion. Dedicate yourself to what you love to do. That way work becomes pleasure, not a burden. Find what you are passionate about and you will never have to work a single day again. But be careful. If in the pursuit of wealth you lose your happiness, you have lost everything. Money is a great servant but a terrible master. Millionaires love what they do. That is why they prosper. Continuing in a hated job is like carrying a burden on your back for life. And even worse is waiting for the perfect conditions to start. Those conditions never come. The ideal time to act is now. Speaking of acting now and following your passion, many people wonder how to turn this passion into a source of income. Perhaps even by creating your own business, working with more freedom, perhaps online. If this idea resonates with you, if you are looking for ways to monetize your talents and knowledge online, I have compiled some strategies and a business model that can be an excellent starting point. The link is in the description. Check it out later. It could be the spark you need. The power of tranquility. Concentration is key. True tranquility does not come from the absence of problems, but from focused concentration. When your mind is fully focused on what you are doing, inner peace arises naturally. The more you live in the present, the more focused you become. Learn to live in the here and now. Forget the mistakes of the past. Learn from them, but don't dwell on them. And don't worry excessively about the future. Plan, but don't paralyze yourself with anxiety. The more you focus on the present, the more productive and effective you become. Concentration is the master key to success in all areas. Train your ability to focus. 5. The order of the rose, the blossoming of the focused mind. The rose, symbol of life, love, and blossoming. Mark Fisher uses this metaphor to illustrate the power of the focused mind. When we gain control over our thoughts and deepen our ability to concentrate, our dreams begin to align with reality. A strong, focused mind has the power to manifest what it desires. 6. Money is freedom, the tool for your dreams. Understand once and for all, money is not the end, it is the means. It is the tool that gives you the freedom to achieve your true goals, to live life on your terms. Your financial freedom is proportional to your belief in your ability to generate it. Money follows the law of abundance and circulation. It needs to flow in order to multiply. The mistake most people make is to fight against problems, absorbing negativity. Change your focus. Use the power of words to your advantage. Tell yourself that you can, that you will overcome obstacles. The greatest secret to any achievement is the unshakable belief in your ability to achieve it. If you believe, you will achieve it. Write down goals. Strengthen your character. Seek happiness and passion. Cultivate tranquility through focus. Understand the symbolism of the mind and use money as a tool for freedom. If you apply these 6 principles consistently, Mark Fisher guarantees you will achieve your goals faster than you imagine. And we return to imagination. Imagine once again having total control over your time, traveling without worrying about your bank account, offering security and comfort to those you love. This doesn't have to be just a dream. The path of entrepreneurship, of building something of your own, can take you there. We here on the channel are passionate about this journey and want to help you. That's why, as always, we're leaving a gift in the first pinned comment. You have the chance to learn about an innovative, accessible business model that has transformed the financial lives of many ordinary people with extraordinary results. This is your chance to start building your independence. Click on the link in the first comment now and secure your access. Did you like these lessons? Did you feel inspired to change? Then show your support with the like, subscribe to receive more transformative content like this, and activate the bell. Your journey to stop being an employee and become the master of your destiny begins with a decision. We'll stop here. God bless you, and see you next time.